All right, guys. Thank you again for those of you that are working really hard on y'all's work. I really appreciate you. All right, so today I'm going to go around with you and do Achieve 3000. Once you see what we're doing on Achieve, then you can go back and you can take care of it on your end, okay? So for now, I want you to just watch this video so that we can ensure that we're getting what we need, okay? So we're just going to click on My Apps right here to Achieve, and then it brings you here. I'm going to open it up to Reading on my end. I think it should be under Social Studies for you guys. Really, I can't remember at this point, but I'm going to go and see what I have. So my favorite stuff should be down here. And this is the one that I want you to do. Okay, this is the one that we're going to do today. Okay, so we're going to do the article and the activity. I'm going to open it. And then here is the article. I went ahead and changed our Lexile level so that way, you know, all of us can make sure that we're getting what we need. So here we go. It says, the title of this is Cumbia Brings Culture Together. Okay, so remember we talked about social studies culture? Well, this has a little bit to do with some of that stuff as well. Okay, so Soledad Colombia Achieve 3000. Start with an African beat. Add Colombia flutes, throw in moves from Spain. What have you got? Cumbia, and this is how it's spelled. It's a Latin American style of music and dance. Well, where does it come from? Cumbia started in Colombia, but it's also played in many other places. It's known as music that brings Latin American people together. Okay, so you know that most of us that are of Latin culture, we listen to all types of different cumbias. There is a video on the bottom that it shows what type of cumbia started in Colombia, and then I'm going to show you a little clip of what type of cumbia I listen to. So when was cumbia born? Historians say that cumbia was first heard in the late 1600s, but its story began in the 1500s. That's when people from Spain came to Colombia. They brought African slaves with them. The slave descendants kept their music alive. Native South Americans liked it. Soon, African, South America, and Spanish music came together, and cumbia was born. What sets cumbia apart? Here's what makes cumbia cool. First are its rhythm and drums. These came from Africa. It also has special flutes if they're from Colombia, and there's the guaracha. That's a percussion instrument. It's from South America. The drums are actually called, well, a lot of people know them as drums, but there are many people who play them as well, and they're called congas. So I am also going to show you a video maybe this week or next week of my husband playing the congas with his little cumbia style. Okay, so cumbia also has dance moves. Those started in Spain. So did the costumes that dancers wear. Cumbia today. Cumbia is still alive. It shows up in today's music from pop to hip hop, and the beat goes on. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit of this clip. It's nice. This is cumbia from Colombia. Okay. Pretty cool. Well, you can finish watching that video when you get on to your Achieve 3000. But for the meantime, I'm going to show you on YouTube a type of cumbias that I like to listen to. Okay, so these are the type of cumbias. Miss Lopez likes to listen. Well, this is a. All right, let's see. This is a type of cumbias that Miss Lopez likes to listen to. Okay, because they're Mexican cumbias, they're a lot more faster to dance to, and so I enjoy that. So this is a type of music that my husband also plays. But there you go. And now we're going to go and we are going to do our activity. Okay, so we're going to select the letter of the correct answer. So think about the article, because African, South American, and Spanish music came together. Was it because cumbia is played in many places, music brings Latin America together, or pop hip hop are parts of today's music? The sound of cumbia was born. So all we're really doing is going back and we're trying to match, okay? So we can go back to the article if you want. And it says, because African, South America, and Spanish music came together, we have to finish the thing. What you could do is you can go back and look and see. Okay? So we're going to look. Soon, African, South American, Spanish music came together and cumbia was born. That's how you go back to the article, go back to the activity, and then you can choose the right answer. Okay? Then you're going to go down, you're going to push submit, and it says way to go. So then we got that right. Our next question keeps going on. Okay, let's say you are retelling this article. Which is most important to say? Which one of these is going to be most important to say? Okay, cumbia is a music mix from Africa, South America, and Spain. Cumbia pounds out its rhythm with African drums. Spanish people brought slaves to Colombia in 1500s. Colombian flutes helped create cumbia sound. So which one of these is very important? You choose the answer and you push submit. Okay, so which one do you guys think? All right, do y'all think it's A as well? I think so too. So we're going to submit it. Nice. So the next question. The slaves descended kept their music alive. Native South Americans liked it. Soon after Africa, South Africa, and Spanish music came together and cumbia was born. This helps the reader know what? That cumbia changes from place to place, how cumbia brings the music of different places together, that cumbia was first heard in Africa, and how today's cumbia is very different. I think so too. I say B. Let's take a look. Oh, it says nice. All right, let's go on to the next. All right. Now we're going to go to which two words have opposite meanings. Okay, liked and made, first and last, add and bring, cool and fun. Let's see. Only some of these words are used in the article. Okay, so that's our hint. So which one do you think? I say first and last. Yes, and that was the answer. All right, let's move on to the next question. And it says, read the passage from the article. Which one tells where cumbia began? So if we go back to the article, it would tell us that it started in where? Okay, we're going to go back to the article, take a look at it. And the article says it was in Colombia. So we're going to go back and we're going to choose Colombia. Excellent. All right. Next question. Which means the opposite of begin? So if we start something, we're gonna go to the end, right? All right, so opposite of begin is happened, belonged, ended, or changed. Yes, right. Ended, guys. All right, good. So now we're going to go to number 7. Think about the article. The reader can tell that native South Americans gave cumbia its rhythm. No, today's cumbia songs do not use an African beat. That's a lie because they use those drums. Cumbia is not often heard outside of Colombia, and it is. It's heard everywhere. So, answer I say should be C. Very nice. All right, our next and final question, which is not in the article. Why Africans came to Colombia in the 1500s? Yes, they did. Where the rhythm of cumbia came from? From Colombia. They said that. Okay, what kinds of African drums are used in cumbia? Did they say? Maybe. Where cumbia began. They did let us know where cumbia began, which was in Colombia. So the only one was they didn't tell us what kind of drums were used in cumbia. Let's see. Yes. So let's review our results. And we got it good on the first try, guys. So we have 100. Okay, so now we did this. You did this with me. Now I want you to go into your achieve 3,000, which this is what it's gonna look like. This little guy right here. Again, then you're going to go here and you're going to choose Cumbia Brings Cultures Together. It should pop up in your menu button because I have assigned it to everybody, okay? So I can't wait to see that you get 100 as well. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.